device developed by Charles Babbage, nearby 19th century of computer. As of 2020, there are 5 generations of computer. The period of first generation was from 1946 to 1959. Of first generation used vacuum tubes. These tubes, like electric bulbs, produced a lot of heat and the installation used to fuse frequently. They were capable of making arithmetic and logic operations. They can store a small amount of data. The period of second generation was 1959 to 1965. In this generation, transistors were used that were cheaper, consumed less power, more compact in size. Third generations of computer from 1965 to 1970. The computer of third generation used integrated circuits. The fourth generations of computer were from 1970 to 1985. Computer of fourth generation used very large scale integrated circuits. The period of fifth generation is 1985 till date. In fifth, VLSI technology become ULSI ultra scale integrated chips.